Hey everybody, it's Damon with Encapstore and Pad Life, and this is a quick clip on the organic stain removers and cleaners that we offer at Encapstore. So I'm going to go from left to right very quickly here. We have Oxyop. Oxyop is one of the newest Encaps, although it's been around for at least a year and a half for us. It's very popular. It's becoming almost as popular as Angry Lemon. Encap category, it's the #2 seller. You're basically getting the power of our awesome Encap with Go Oxy in one product. So it cleans extremely well. It also has a lot of oxy in it, so your organic stains and overall brightening are happening easily, quickly, effectively, and at a low dilution. As you can see here, as little as 4 ounces per gallon. Many oxy Encaps on the market are at 8, 12, even 16 ounces a gallon for a minimum dilution. We're at 4 ounces and just as effective. Great product. If you're looking for an all-in-one Encap that's easy to use, commercial, residential, gets the job done, Oxyop, 100%. You'll love it. Great product. Go Oxy, very popular booster and spotter. This has been our lineup for a number of years now. And you can use this to remove organic stains. Again, organic would be anything from like soda, tea, urine, blood, you name it. That'll get stains out quickly and easily. 5 ounces a gallon is all you need. You can certainly use more if you want, but at 5 ounces, you're getting tremendous stain lifting power. You can also add it to your Encap. So if you want to add it to Angry Lemon or Awesome Encap or Simple Encap or Green Dragon or Dragon Citrus, etc., you can absolutely do that. You do need to be careful when you add this to closed containers. It'll swell. It's a very high oxy component. So wear gloves. Be careful. It's strong, effective, affordable. Great product. Also very affordable on the Oxyop, by the way, and all of them for that matter. And we have great prices, great concentration, and I think people really understand that and appreciate that. Stinky Butt is our newest product. This is a spotter and booster. This is oxy-based. It also contains some solvents and some odor combating or odor removing properties as well. Great feedback we've had on this. Tremendous feedback. People love the way it removes odor. They love the way it removes stains. They love the way it brightens the carpet. Again, if you use other peroxide-based odor products and stain removing products, you'll love Stinky Butt. There's more on the website. I suggest you reading the FAQ. I can go on and on about it, but just go to the website. You'll learn more. Great product, great dilution, and great price point. So the one thing I don't realize about peroxide-based odor and stain removers, you're going to use more than you will with other types of products like chlorine or ClO₂ products or enzymes. You're going to have a higher concentration or require more products. So just keep that in mind. Next up, Waron P, another big seller for us. Waron P is an enzyme. You can use Waron P not only to remove odors, but also stains, but it also cleans. And it works as an Encap, but you can also use it with hot water extraction. Very versatile product, very effective at what it does. Again, this is a big seller for us across the board. The only drawback with some people is they don't like that it takes a little bit of time and needs about, usually 20 to 30 minutes to really work. Plus, you don't want to add any oxy to it. You don't want to use super high heat. So if you're using a truck mount, you got to watch the heat. Otherwise, it does great. I mean, it's a very effective product. Encap, hot water extraction, odor stain remover, and as an enzyme, it is fantastic source removal. It'll be better than any oxy, any chloride at actual source removal. But, it could be a little finicky like all enzymes. But again, big seller for us, very popular. This is Bright. Bright is a powder. Bright is an oxy with citrus added to it. It's sodium percarbonate, again, with citrus and very concentrate, very effective. This stuff works like crazy. So you can add it to your pre-spray. You can add it to even Encaps and small amounts. It's on the label. And you can actually use it as an OSR. Very effective. It'll help with your overall cleaning in addition to working as a spot and stain remover. So you get the added cleaning punch. It's going to be at a higher pH because of the carbonate. So whereas these are going to be on the lower pH side, when you jump over to this, it's going to be on the higher pH side. Again, highly effective. You do have a bit of a short shelf life with it. So once you mix it, you want to put it to work right away. Now in the jar, obviously it's good forever or close to forever. But once you mix it, you really want to put it to work immediately. Kaput. Kaput is also a popular option for us. Kaput is sodium chloride that works basically as sort of like a ClO₂, familiar ClO₂. That's what Kaput's going to be. Works as an oxidizer, works as an odor remover. It's going to be a better odor remover than stain remover. So Kaput does a great job of getting rid of odor. on stains, and this will be the case with any products that are similar to Kapton, which are quite a few out there. You are going to have more of an issue with the stain. So sometimes you have to topically hit it with an oxy, like with Go Oxy or Oxyop, depending on how you're cleaning, to get rid of those stains. But as far as the odor remover, it's great. It can also have a byproduct. When it reacts with a heavy urine contamination, you can get sort of a chlorine scent. Again, that's the case with any of the products. But again, it's fantastic. It's very economical. That's probably the best part about Kapton is the economy of it. And that's why a lot of people choose it over other products. So that's a quick rundown. I do have a piece of carpet here. We've had this for actually a few months. And you can see this is very much stained with urine. And I'm just going to do a quick demo using our Stinky Butt. I made a dilution. This is on the stronger side. And I want to kind of get this to work right away. So I mix this at 1:1. So we're going to take this in our little spotter bottle. And by the way, if you make a spotter bottle and you want to use Go Oxy or Oxyop as a spotter, or Stinky Butt in this case, use distilled water. Distilled water will extend the life of the mix considerably, tenfold or more. Actually, even beyond that. So anyway, I'm going to take this. Let's spray this on here. You can see we're spraying everywhere. I'm doing this one-handed, so. I put down a decent amount because this is in pretty rough shape. And this is at least, a few months old. And we should see some stain lifting pretty immediately. I'm going to go over it with a towel just so you can show you the transfer. And then what I'll do is do a follow-up clip in a few hours. And you'll see the difference. Because with Oxy, sometimes you'll get immediate stain lifting results. Sometimes it can take a few hours. But it works. And again, that's one of the reasons why Go Oxy, Oxyop, Stinky Butt are so popular, because Oxy is so incredibly effective. So we'll give it a little bit of time, but in the meantime, you can see immediately the transfer and how quickly that takes place. In most cases, you'll just want to spray. Like if you're cleaning carpet with it, spray, let it dwell, do your cleaning, and you're going to see it lift. And actually, you can already see it lifting. I shouldn't even have done that with a towel, but you can see that spot already. So we'll be back in a few minutes, and we'll continue this conversation. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, we're back. It's been about 30 minutes or maybe 45 minutes. But I went ahead and I just continued to work on them here in the warehouse. So I continued to work in the warehouse, and I wanted to come back and see how this was doing. And you can see that the stains, hopefully you can see on video. We'll do a photo as well. But the stains are essentially gone. Now keep in mind, this is from a tear out. It's a worn carpet, so it's not going to look great. Obviously, this was a terrible cut with a carpet knife, but yeah, you can see the difference here. The odor, and it smelled awful. I'd say it's about 90% gone. Now this is still damp, so I'm wearing gloves. It's still damp, but as it continues to dry, the odor will continue to break down. And again, we've sold a lot of this product. Carpet cleaners are loving it. They love the way it removes odor. They love the way it removes stains. Now, remember, it's not a cleaner, so you're still going to need to clean. But one thing to keep in mind is you don't need to use a lot of cleaning, because most of the heavy lifting's already been done. But you still need something for the soil and the dirt. So whether that be simple Encap, Oxyop, Awesome Encap, etc., Green Dragon, any of those will work. So great product. I think you'll really like it. Give it a try and see for yourself. Wear gloves, very important. And again, Oxyop, the all-in-one, Oxy-based Encap, Go Oxy, your general peroxide spotter and booster. Stinky Butt, which we have here, which is your Oxy-based along with some solvents and odor destroyers. That is a booster slash odor treatment, really more of an odor treatment. Waron P, our enzyme Encap slash hot water extraction cleaner, excellent at source removal. Stain removal, has an amazing scent. Bright, which is our powder-based peroxide spotter booster slash OSR. And Kapton, which is our chloride slash ClO₂ product. So again, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, 866-974-0202. Encapstore, we're here to help you. Give us a call. All our products have great concentration, great price points. We have excellent shipping rates. The whole 9 yards. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.